I took the Charger out for, well, I did a little collaboration and got the windows tinted. So full disclosure, I did get a discount for doing that, but I also promised them that I'd get them the footage that I recorded during this process, as well as give them a serious shout out. So thank you so much to, oh my gosh, what's the name of that place? So a huge shout out to Tint Action of Utah. I really do appreciate them and their hospitality. They let me back in their employees only section, which is where they work on the cars. And they're some really cool dudes. I've actually used them before for other vehicles of mine, and they've always done me right. So I walked in there with confidence, just knowing that they were going to treat me right no matter what. He could take more than that if we send him the business. So anyway, Tint Action of Utah, give them a huge thumbs up. I appreciate them, and they're working on this. Let's take a look at what this looks like. Completely changed the look of the car. My wife thinks that this might be too dark, but I was sure and get legal. So this is the front window. The back window is even darker. That is not even a 5%. So, and then this is even darker yet. So garage represent. Anyway, I'm gonna throw together at the end of this, well, in fact right now, the musical montage portion of this and show you them in action. Tint Action of Utah, putting the tint on this vehicle. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for all the support. Love you guys. Please like, comment, share, do all those things. Really do appreciate it. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Watch till the end though. It's cool.